Welcome to EJ Bits. This is the unboxing of the Mibro Air smartwatch. And this will also be a full review with the tutorial segment, with a feature segment. In this video, you'll just learn everything there is to know about this watch. So this smartwatch can be bought in Lazada. The link for that will be in the description below. The watch is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. Mibro is the main brand. And this charger is magnetic, so it only goes one way. You can't go the other way around if you tried it. As much as possible, don't charge in a humid condition. And you get your user manual and your tutorials. So for the features, it has a 24-hour heart rate recording. The watch will analyze your daily exercise and automatically detect if you have a jogging session or if you have an intensive exercise. It contains 12 sports modes that you will see later. It will record your daily sleep status, including your deep sleep, light sleep, and awake. The material for the front side, it's glass. This back covering of the heart rate sensor is plastic, but everything else is made of metal. It's very solid. The band is very flexible, and it doesn't sweat the wrist. It's a good quality material. And at least it's not really a fingerprint magnet. The screen is, but the rest of the parts, no. It has an IP68 waterproof rating, so you can use it to, wash your hands. You can use it in the shower. As much as possible, don't do deep diving, but you could swim with it as long as it's not salt water. So, to set up, just download the Mibro Fit app. It's available on the App Store and the Play Store. And after that's installed, just go and follow the instructions. So by the way, this watch goes for 1,554 pesos on Laz Global. So buy from Laz Global. The link is in the description. It's sold by Simson store. Thank you for sending it over. So in Laz Global, you have a 7 to 8 day delivery time. Delivery is very fast. It's very good. And if you want to pair the watch to your phone, just one click of a button and it will pair. It will search for the device and just tap on the Mibro Air. It's connected. No worries about that. And so yes, you have different colors here. You have a gray strap, you have a black strap, a pink one, a green one. So it's all up to you. And it's very premium. And as we can see here, if we press the brightness button, we can change the brightness of the watch. So it's very visible in daylight, and in the sun, it's not so bright. It's sufficient enough. And we're back to the home screen, and if we go to the left, you can change the order of these things. I will show you later how to do it. So, we have a heart rate monitor. Again, you can open the settings in the app to change it to record 24 hours. It will record at an interval of 1 hour. And, heart rate, it's a very good feature. It's a very important feature when it comes to smartwatches. And you have to make sure to pick a smartwatch that is accurate in determining your heart rate. And actually, I use the Mi Band 4. It's a product by Xiaomi also. And I will compare the Mi Band 4 data to the data of the Mibro Air. So in the left, we have the Xiaomi smartwatch, the Mi Band 4, and on the right, we have the Mibro. We can see that it's alright, yeah. Accuracy would be a 6.5, and the sleep accuracy, sleep detection, I would say that the Mibro is more accurate in determining my wake up time compared to the Mi Band 4. So that's a plus for the Mibro Air. Very good at detecting your sleep distribution. If you swipe down from the sleep, you can definitely find this information, sleep distribution for the week. And you have music control. So if you want to control your music, you also have your timer. So you can, of course, you can pause your timer, you can play it, and you can always press X or customize, have your own time, hour, minute, seconds. So very, very simple, guys. Here we have the data. We have the steps, number of minutes. And here's how to remove. I remove the data. We can add a component. We have different components here. Or they call it components. So you have a maximum of 3 to 4 quick access components. And if we swipe down from the home screen, we will find our messages. So here's a do not disturb. Do not disturb. The raise to wake feature will not be available. And next is we have the stopwatch. It's a feature-packed watch, and I really like it. It's not too bulky. It's not too small. It fits right in my wrist. My wrist is quite small. And if you have big wrists, definitely it will support that also. And it has 3 built-in watch faces. And of course, we can definitely change that. And here, we can find our phone. It will ring a ringtone in our phone. And if we press understood, it means that the ring will stop. And settings, raise to wake feature. So I'll demonstrate the raise to wake feature. So, there you go. So, when you raise your hand, see, there you go. Yeah, it opens the screen. You get your time, you're notified, all of those things. And of course, it's very premium. And for the price, we have to consider the price. The price is 1,500 or even 1,600. Depends on the time you watch this video. This one, if you shake your watch, it will take a picture. Only through the app. And here you have your 12 exercise, 12 sports modes. So you can definitely change the kilometers. You can change how you want your exercise to be tracked. All this information will be stored in the watch itself, because it does have some megabytes of storage. But then once you connect it to your phone, it will automatically sync. Just make sure you have your phone near you so that all the information will sync to your phone. And for the data, we have steps, minutes active, and 13 bouts, which is we have our that's the activity rating probably. And so yeah, these are all of the features. It's a feature-packed watch. And responsiveness, it's quite responsive. It's good enough. I really like the responsiveness of it. As we can see here, the watch face says, this is personally my favorite watch face. And here's the app. Okay, so here's how we will see the app when we first launch it. So I press the top part. This will be our activity goals. It's just all very important information. Let's just wait for it to load. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to sync my data previously, but this should load faster if this were your scenario. So here I've pressed the heart rate, and so as we can see here, we have different informations about your heart rate. So exercise heart rate will be 80 to 109 BPM. Never mind, that's the warm up and relax. And fat burning will be 110 to 130 BPM. Cardio training 130 to 160. Endurance enhancement will be 160 to 179. Extreme exercise will be from 80 to 220 BPM. So you have your informations here, and definitely you can track your heart rate as we can see here. It just takes some time to load. My phone's quite slow. So as you can see here, a day-to-day analysis of our heart rate. That's very nice. And the sleep detection rate is better than its heart rate detection. It's not the most accurate because it only does 1 hour interval. So hopefully, once you buy this product, because I do recommend it, you know, Mibro will update their app and hopefully bring us some new features. I will definitely use this watch in the future. I'm actually using it right now, and I've used it for a week, and I can say that this product is quite effective in its job. Here I just pressed the sleep detection, and we have your deep sleep ratio, your light sleep, your sober ratio. So, you know, all of those important information. And, you know, we have some scientific values here. All of your, you know, sleeping data, very important. You have your weight also. Sports record. I don't do sports that much. I don't record it. And here we have the fatigue feature. So the fatigue feature is very unique. The Mi Band 4 doesn't have this. The Mi Band 5 doesn't have it. That's why I recommend this product. Maybe more than the Mi Bands, the more popular ones. Because if we see here, we have 34 as our fatigue level, and 34 would be in the normal fatigue reference value. So from 1 to 29 we are relaxed. From 60 to 80 we are medium stressed, and high stress would be 80 to 99 or even 100. So as we can see here, my stress levels are on point. Very good, not so stressed. You know, my highest is 53, which is just normal. I'm not stressed this, you know, pandemic. You shouldn't be too stressed out. And if you want to know your stress levels, definitely, or your fatigue levels, however, just go open the app and just find it here. This watch has a very good feature set again, and you can definitely open exercises from your phone. And if you go to your Mibro Air, we have custom screensaver, which would be a custom watch face. And if you press installation, it will go to the device. Sedentary Reminder would remind you to stand up after, you know, an hour of sitting down. It's not good to, you know, always sit down. Find the bracelet will vibrate your bracelet. Raise your watch feature. You have your alarm clock, your take a photo, health measurement frequency. Make sure to turn all of these features on. And the battery life of this product lasted me, you know, 7 days. So yeah, really good product. I really do recommend. My ratings for this product overall, it would be an 8. 8 out of 10. Very solid for the price. Just go to the link in the description. And thank you for watching. See you next time.